Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. How are you? Hope all of you are fine. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Today is our fourth class of BGST. We were doing chapter 14, that is social changes of Bangladesh. Last class we discussed about various components of social change. Today we will discuss on a new topic. The topic is the social changes and the role of women. You know, in Bangladesh, more than half of our portion is women. So in social change, the role of women is very, very important. In Bangladesh, the gradual development of industry has brought about great changes to women's life and their dignity. The spread of industry has dragged women out from their confined home life, and they are now doing outdoor work. Women are earning extra income for their families. In the field of education, women are now more educated than before. After finishing SSC and HSC, many women are working, many women are studying in other universities, universities, medical college, engineering universities, agricultural universities in many world. A report presented by Bangladesh in the 4th World Women Conference Beijing 1995 states that among the total students of universities, the number of female students is 23%, and the number of women in medical college and engineering college is respectively 29% and 9%. In village area, as you know, the education is free from the government. That's why we can see the participation of female in education is much. Now the parents in village area giving the same importance as with their boys to the daughter education. That's why we are seeing that we can observe that the female education is expanding more in rural area. Side by side we can see, that's why in the board examination, in SSC and HSC examination, we can see the women are also going ahead in their result. And not only this, in past the female in rural area were engaged mainly in household work. Now in urban area, women are participating in various types of work. We can say about garment sector, more than 80% worker in garment sectors are women. Not only this, garment sector, in other sector like tea garden, in paper, jute mill, or any other manufacturing companies, mills, factories, telecommunication. In everywhere, every steps, you can see the glaring participation of women. In the city area, educated women are involving in different professions like in teaching, in medicine, in law, in judiciary, in different offices. We can see the participation of women. Not only this, we can see in government job sector, various cadres like administration, police, then judiciary, then in cooperative, in different sector, we can see the participation of women. Women are also participating in defense sector in our country. They are also putting a very important contribution in abroad as well. Not only this, the village women are taking loan from government and non-government organization, and they are participating in economic sector, and they are doing various jobs like work like they are cow fattening, rearing goat, sieving, poultry, fishery, in different apiculture, pisciculture. In many where we can see the engagement of women. So women are earning extra money, which helps their household work, and they are also educating their child. In many ways, women are putting a contribution, a huge role, which brought a massive social change in Bangladesh. Not deny in social change the participation of women. So we can say that women are dignified now. They are they are bringing their own empowerment by taking positive role in the society. My dear student, Alhamdulillah, we have finished our chapter. With this chapter, pre-test syllabus is done for class 10 and class 9 will read this chapter, and we will do inshallah more new chapters. We have in the chapter at the end there are some MCQ. For MCQ 1 number, correct answer will be C. For 2 number, correct answer will be A. For D number, for 3 number, correct answer will be D. For 4 number, correct answer will be A, and for 5 number, correct answer will be A. And here is a CQ. Look at the board, please. What is social change? CQ. There are 2 CQs. I will discuss one CQ. CQ1 is what is social change? Social change is the change of social structure and its activities. Explain B number. Explain one reason of social change. You will in Bangladesh you will write. You can write any change, but industrialization you can write here. For C number, the impact of which factor is resembled to that something. The question you will get in your textbook. Here education will be the main factor. You will write the para of education from your book with the but keep similarity with your STEM. And D number, what is the impact has been microcredit program made? Here answer will be you will write from the STEM part and how the microcredit program help the poor women in village to upgrade their social status, to bring change in the social life, their personal life, economic life. You will discuss that. And also last part we read the social changes and the role of women. They are also in last phases I discuss about the role of women in microcredit program. You can write that part as well. And 2 number CQ is also very easy. It is about industrialization and other thing. You will do it by your own self. Inshallah, in our next class I will come to you with a new lesson, a new chapter. Till then, Allah Hafiz.